Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a poll in Slack. First of all, open your Slack, your workspace. So I want to add a poll on my workspace. So how would I do it? Simply I will go to the Polly.ai website. On this website I have to select try it free and I have to sign in with my any account. I will select the Slack account. Once selected, I have to click on allow. Now it's telling me welcome to Polly, which means I have successfully created a Polly account. Once you have done from here, go back to your Slack and refresh your page. You will see a Polly section here. Click on Polly. From here, you have to select create a Polly. Create new. From here, you have to type a question for your audience or your co-workers or anyone else in your Slack. So my question is, have you liked the video? And you can select the question type. I will select the multiple choice. And I will select the choices below, yes or no. And I have some extra options, for example, allow comments, allow multiple votes, audience can add choices, blah blah blah. So I will click on send. I forgot to add the audience, so I will select the general. Once I select, I have to click on send. I have to select an authentication method. I will select it as public and click on done. And click on leave. Now my work with Polly has been done. Now I will go to the general section. And here you will see I have successfully created a poll on Slack. Have you liked the video? Yes or no? I will click on yes. Hopefully you have also liked the video. And that's how you can create a poll on Slack. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.